National Immunization Day observed kora hoise 19 January 2020 sonot. The National Immunization Day was observed all over India as a part of Pulse Polio Program 2020. Around 17.4 crore children of age less than 5 years were administered polio drops. Bharatot Rashtriya Immunization Day observed kora hol aru 17 koti shihu polio drop dia hoise. India has already eradicated polio completely in 2012. In order to sustain the eradication, the government of India organized Pulse Polio immunization campaigns all over the country. Bharator ISROe Vyom Mitra namor eta Android experimental robot toyar korise jak Gaganyaan missionot launch kora hobo. ISRO is to send a half humanoid robot called the Vyom Mitra as an experimental mission to the Gaganyaan. Vyom Mitra means a friend in the sky. ISRO introduced Vyom Mitra at the Human Space Flight and Exploration Bengaluru. The robot is to fly in 2 unmanned missions that are planned in December 2020 and June 2021. Vyom Mitra robot to Hindi or English bhasha fluently cooperate, and it can also mimic human activities such as recognizing other humans and responding to their queries. The robot can also handle switch panel operations. It is capable of providing air pressure change warnings. Rashtriya Startup Advisory Council to set up kora hoise to boost startup and innovations. On January 22, 2020, the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has set up National Startup Advisory Council. A council to suggest koribo bibhinno dhoroner upaye jate eta strong startup dekhot gori uthibo pare. It is being said to reduce the time spent on tax compliance to less than 1 hour of month and to boost the availability of domestic and global capital. The council is chaired by the Minister of Commerce and Industry. 25 January to Rashtriya Voter Divas hisabe palon kora jay Bharatborshot. National Voters Day, Rashtriya Matdata Divas is celebrated on 25th January every year to mark the foundation day of Election Commission of India. The Election Commission was established on 25th January 1950. It's a constitutional body deriving its authority from Article 324 of the Constitution and Representation of the People's Act. So Election Commission to eta constitutional body hoy aru Election Commission e shakti pai Article 324 pa. The day was started in 2011 sonor pa National Voters Day celebration arambho kora hoise. The objective of National Voter Day is to encourage, facilitate and maximize the enrollment of new voters and active participation of active voters. Ei bosoror theme to hoise electoral literacy for a stronger democracy. Bharat aru Russia'r majot Ganga Volga Dialog to held kora hoise to enhance the connectivity. The dialogue was held between India and Russia in New Delhi. The dialogue focused in providing interface between the civilizations of the two countries. Ei dialogueor highlight hoise people to people contact. According to Russia, the dialogue acted as a good platform for its policy of Greater Eurasia. A dialogue to theme hoise connectivity. The dialogue also focused on digital connectivity, culture, tourism, healthcare, manufacture, technology, economy, entrepreneurship, etc. The aim of the dialogue is very similar to the international North-South transport corridor.